Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be discussing a new thing. It is one of the phenomena, the natural phenomena which happens, and it would be very interesting to discuss that, right? So, before wasting any time, let's first quickly revise that what we have done in yesterday's class. Yes, what we discussed the earth and the environment. Very well done. And what is our environment? Excellent. Everything which surround us and which has an effect on us is known as our environment, right? And in the environment we have two components. The one are biotic components, which include all the living things. Very well done. And the second one is abiotic components, which include all the non-living things, right? Okay, so we have two components of our environment, right? Okay, and the third, we also talked about the earth. Earth is, yes, we discussed it with the help of a globe, and I showed you that the whitish part tells us about, the bluish part tells us about where is the water on the earth. Then the greenish part tells us about the greenery, and a little brownish color tells us about the land area, right? Okay, so let's move forward. In today's class, we will be talking about the phenomena. You will be guessing it with the help of an activity. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Let's play this activity together, okay? Okay, look at this picture carefully. In this picture, yes, some pictures are given. You're supposed to tell which thing belongs to daytime and which thing belongs to nighttime. Okay, the very first one is this. What is this? It's an owl, right? The owl is seen in daytime or in nighttime? Nighttime. So this belongs to nighttime. Okay, what is the next thing? It's a school bus. It belongs to daytime. Okay, then we have a moon. When we see this at night, okay, then we have the glasses. When do we wear this? In the daytime, right? Okay, when it is sunny day. Okay, then butterflies. Do you find any butterflies in the night? No, so this also belongs to daytime. Okay, then we have a bulb, right? Does it belongs to daytime or nighttime? Nighttime. Wonderful. Then we have a kite. Do we fly kite in the night? No, in the daytime. Wonderful. Then we have a torch. It belongs to again nighttime. And then at last we have a, yes, and it belongs to again daytime, right? In order to see the far away things, we use this. Okay. So after doing this, can you tell about the topic that we will be discussing today? Why we practice this activity? Or what are the phenomena that I'm talking about? Day and night phenomena. Very well done. So in today's class, the topic that we will be covering is day and night phenomena, right? Okay. So day and night phenomena, day and night, these are two wonderful phenomena, two wonderful creations of Allah. This never okay ever this has ever happened that the night does not come and the day prolongs. Ever this has happened? No, this never happened, right? Okay, this has happened that the night gets prolonged and the day does not come. You sleep, 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 and the day is not coming. This has happened ever? No. Allah has planned everything. There is this particular time, particular symptoms. After that, the day ends and the night starts. Similarly, there is this time after that, the night ends and the day starts. And this is a continuous cycle. This keeps on going again and again. There is no any type of abruption in that, right? This is a continuous cycle. And this is happening, and this is one of the beautiful creations of Allah, right? So we will be starting this topic with the reading of your book. I want all of you to open your book, page number 39. This is page number 39. Please open this. Unit number 5, and the topic name is the earth and the environment. And in that, the topic which we are discussing is day and night. Okay. there is this boy Ali, and he says that today there is no school. Ali is playing in the garden. Okay, it's off from the school, so Ali is playing in the garden. It's night time. Maha is going out with her parents, and it's night time, and Maha is going out with her parents. Then in this picture, see the difference. This is daytime, and in the daytime, the environment, the sun looks like this, and this is the night time, and the night time looks like this, right? You are supposed to find out differences between these two pictures. Look at these pictures carefully and tell me what are the differences. Now at the end there are some questions. Look at the sky in the daytime. What color is it? The sky is white color, right? Okay. Look at the sky in the night time. What color is it? Okay, black. Then is it bright or dark in the daytime? It's bright. Is it bright or dark in the night time? It's dark. Okay. What can you see in the sky in the daytime? Sun, right? And the birds as well. And what you can see in the sky at night time? The moon and the stars, right? Birds don't fly at night. Similarly, the owls don't fly in the day. So everything belongs to a specific time. You can see butterflies around you in the daytime, but butterflies also sleep at night. Similarly, children do play. They play in the into the garden. They go outside in the daytime, but they do not go outside in the night time, right? Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen. There is this video that we will be watching together about day and night, and then we will discuss some more facts about it. Okay.
Hello kids, let's look here. It's the daytime. What do we do in the daytime and what do we see in the daytime? The sun is out. It's all light around. We can play. And there are a lot of activities with the birds flying. And then there's the night time where we can see the moon up in the sky and a lot of stars and darkness and different colors of the sky. That's called the night time.
Okay, so in this video as well, even you have seen the difference between the day and night time. And daytime is the time in which we found we have a sun in this on the sky, right? We see birds around us. Children used to play in that time, and all of the major activities are done in the daytime, right? Then if we talk about the nighttime is when the moon is out, when the stars are out, and the sun is not there, right? We get lights from the moon and the stars, and children don't play, birds don't fly, and in that time we prefer to sleep. It's the rest time, right? Okay. Now I'm going to Okay, now discuss what I want you is like these pictures which you have seen over here, and like the picture that I have shown you over here. Can you see the major differences? The differences that we have discussed already as well, right? And on the daytime we found people around us, but on the night we don't have. On the daytime we have sun on the sky, and on the night we have moon and stars. Okay, in the daytime, yes, in the daytime, people do a lot of activities. We go to school. People are parents. They go to offices. Similarly, all other people, whatever their professions are, they go to their jobs. But at night, all of them they came back and they do rest together, right? So, what are the differences? There some more differences that you can found over here in your book picture as well. Okay, one major difference that we have found is that in the daytime, because sun is giving us the light, so we are not supposed to switch on our home lights, right? Similarly, the street light is also switched off. Look at this picture. It's daytime, the sun is there, and the house lights are all lights are off, right? And the street light is also off. Now look at this picture. It's nighttime, all of the lights are on, and the street light is also on. Why? Because it's night time, and the moon does not gives us that much light which sun gives us, right? So this is the difference, or one of another difference between the daytime and nighttime, right? Similarly, you see in daytime children are playing, but at night no children are playing. Got it? Okay. So now what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to open your notebooks, make a distinction between day and night, and note down the points that we have discussed right now. Hurry up. Open your notebooks, make a distinction, and write down the points that we have learned about daytime and nighttime. Hurry up. All of you are done? Okay, good. Now, before ending the class, let's play this small activity. Look at this picture. It says that sort out the words into the table and complete the sentence. Okay, let's say, okay, just do not look at the sentences. Tell me that which of these things belong to daytime. Sun belongs to day or night? Day. Light belongs to day or night? Daytime. Cool belongs to day or night? Nighttime. Moon belongs to day or night? Night. Very good. Okay. Then dark belongs to day or night? Nighttime. Okay. Awake belongs to day or night? Daytime. Asleep belongs to night or day? Night. Warm belongs to day or night? Day. And stars belong to day or night? Nighttime. Wonderful. Okay, so this is how these are the things which belong to daytime and nighttime, and these are the major distinctions. What is your home assignment? That you will be making a sketch, like there is this sketch that I have shown you. Let me show it to you again. You will be making a picture or a sketch in the similar way. Make two distinctions, that how day looks like and how night looks like of the same thing, right? And then show it to me in the next class. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.